So, next stop is Houston.
It's our blessed adventure. It's our blessed adventure.
Very nice day at the Galveston Island KOA. And we're heading out. A little gray today, trying to get a little bit of rain on us today. But that's okay, you have that once in a while. We don't want to, we need the rain too as much as the sunshine. We're good.
Continue on terminate St. Louis Pass Road.
So, next stop is Houston. I think it's officially goodbye to the ocean. I don't think Houston has the ocean. Do you?
I don't think there's no ocean in Houston.
We get the last view of the ocean, and then we head into the concrete jungle, which takes us to the big city of Houston, where we run into traffic, and more traffic.
Downtown Houston in view. One thing I really wanted to find when we got here, before we left Texas, was to find the blue bonnets. It was one of my bucket list things I wanted to see. And we found our first field of them. And they're beautiful. I smell them too.
Yeah, you can smell them.
Yeah, so we'll have to show you. Show you this way.
Here she is, getting to check out something she's always wanted to do. See the Texas bluebonnets.
They are so pretty. They smell wonderful.
She said they're very pretty and they smell wonderful.
So on our way to Houston, we were coming down the highway and saw this big Buc-ee's in Texas City. This is a really big one. So as we're doing our touring around, we came back here so we could go in and check it out. So we've counted 72 gas pumps. This is huge. This reminds me more of like a Myers or Walmart or something with a gas station. But it's supposed to be around a convenience store. Oh, look, there's Buc-ee right there. Oh, we can get a Buc-ee's tent. I'm sure David wants one. Look at all the ice machines. Wow. Little chair, little tent, kind of chairs right there. Oh, you name it, you can get it at Buc-ee's. I think I need a cart. Wow. Oh, sure.
Well, we miscalculated. He said there's over 100 pumps.
Oh, over 100 pumps. Okay.
Sure. I want somebody to tell me spot on.
Wow. Look at that. Buc-ee's coffee.
We counted actual things, so it might be 100 and something.
Plenty of icy machines. Here's something called Buc-ee's Overbite. That looks like something I need, doesn't it? And even the coffee stations. Look at that. And see, there's someone over there cleaning it. I mean, very, very well done. And they even have like an awesome food station. Hot nuts, you can smell them. And they have sweet stuff over there and sandwiches. Wow. And then this is like a little home section. This is way more than I thought. And I could smell it. Look at them making them, stirring it up. Those are the best hot nuts I've ever seen. Wow. They're huge. And they, like I said, we need smell vision. And then here's the fudge they are talking about. Everybody said their fudge is fantastic. It's pecan praline. Wow. They have quite a few flavors of fudge. Oh, and then here is the jerky station we've heard all about. So this is what they were talking about. Wow.
That's amazing.
He said his favorite is the Bohemian garlic.
That is good.
Is it good?
It's very good.
He said they sell 40 to 50 pounds a day.
40 to 60 pounds.
40, 60 pounds a day.
Wow.
Wow. It was good.
That's good. Very, very good.
Now, granted, we're open 20.
And then they literally got a bakery in here.
Bad call for 842, bad call.
Wow.
It's our blessed adventure. It's our blessed adventure.
We found out while we were in Texas that Buc-ee's is sometimes a day trip that people take and spend a day. We found that there's a Buc-ee's that has over 250 pumps. So this was just a quick look at a couple things we found in Houston, or near Houston. So stay tuned for more of the Texas trip. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and continue to follow along with Noel's Blessed Adventures.